So, how are you people out there in YouTube land, cyberspace, wherever you might find yourself? Yeah, I posted a clip up of a tune called The Kid in the Mountain, played at normal speed, just for anybody learning this tune or trying to learn it, especially on the C#D box. I've been through it all myself, you know, trying to pick up tunes that are played so fast that you can't pick out the individual notes. So I'm going to play it very, very slow, note for note, just to help and encourage anybody out there who wants to try and learn the tune. Yeah, it's quite a challenging one. It's a 5-part slip jig, like I said, The Kid in the Mountain. So I'll play each part once and play it slowly. And they normally play twice, and the whole tune is played 3 times around. So hope you have fun with this, and I hope it's of help to some people. So first part. Second part. Third part. Next part then, fourth part. Last part, fifth part. So yeah, I hope that's slow enough for anybody who's trying to pick up the fingering, especially on the C#D, or indeed any other instrument as well. So I hope you have fun with that, and yeah, hope to see you again soon. So slán agus go maith with.